Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Nokia 220 4G, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean USB charging port on this device. So unfortunately, in Nokia 220 we have no normal Nokia's DC charging port. Here we have micro USB, and micro USB we can easily damage. We can easily dirt it in, and to clean it we need to use household tools, of course, because if we will try to bring it to the service, sometimes it's too expensive to fix. So we need to have the household tools, but I suggest to use an old toothbrush because it's not metal, and I suggest you not to use metal objects, because using metal objects you can damage your USB port. So use only old toothbrush which you no longer use, and insert one part of the brush to the connector and just try the dirt out. So brush out the dirt, and great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.